Welcome everyone to another edition of Poppy's Plonkers.
Hey, I should say that. This is mine.
Go on then, you say
Welcome, everybody. This is Poppy's Plunkers.
it. Fantastic. Now, Poppy's Plonkers is always quite interesting, as Poppy has ADHD and autism, don't you? So it makes it, shall we say, interesting. Poppy, are you ready to film yet?
No!
Poppy, are you ready to film yet?
What do you think?
Poppy, are you ready to film yet?
Don't.
Poppy, are you ready to film yet?
Yeah, I've been ready for ages.
The reason we do Poppy's Plonkers is our driving and our attitudes to the road massively rubs off on our young ones, and some people out there without realising could be making very bad influences on their children. So we like to do it the right way, don't we? And we make a bit of fun, but at the same time we're developing your attitude for the roads, aren't we?
Yeah.
Now you've got a fan in Poland, haven't you?
Yeah.
And where are you watching?
Everybody, where are you from? What are you watching? Because me and Daddy are going to make this little map of where all my fans are.
Yeah.
So it would be really helpful.
So we know you've got one fan in Poland, don't we?
Yeah.
Which is fantastic. You've gone international. Right, Poppy, so we've got some footage from someone you know very well. Granddad sent this footage in. Granddad John.
He's a moldy egg.
And now the first question I've got for you is, what do you think is older, Granddad or his dash cam?
Granddad.
Do you reckon he's older than the dash cam? I think you're just about right. But this dash cam's pretty old, isn't it? Now, Granddad was driving through a lovely little village, and you saw your school, didn't you? Now, can you read what that sign says?
20 miles per
Yeah,
hour.
good. It says skid risk, doesn't it? So when they lay new roads, often there's loose stones and it makes it quite dangerous. So they advise us that we shouldn't go more than about 20 miles an hour, okay?
Yeah.
Now, what do you think of Granddad's driving through this place? Do you think he's driving very sensibly?
Yes.
I would agree. So he's
very slow.
Yeah, well, he's driving very sensibly, isn't he, for the conditions? And he said at this point he had a white Mercedes that was driving very close to him. Do you like it when people drive close behind us?
Well, how would I know? I'm not like a 17 yet.
Well, you will be. What do you think it would be like for you if people were driving very close?
I'd say move, move, and move.
Well, we try not to react to tailgaters, but I want you to watch this clip and tell me what you think.
We'll put it on the screen somewhere here.
Yeah. Oh, what do you think of that?
Offended.
Offended. If you watch it again, I want you to watch, because low-res cameras do make things seem a little bit slower than they actually are.
Hey, don't do that to my granddad.
It's very silly, isn't it? So you can't see a lot round that bend, yeah? Do you think that was a very sensible place to overtake approaching a bend?
No.
Good. And what could have been round that bend?
People?
Yeah.
Animals? Like wild animals?
Yeah. Have you ever seen a horse and rider?
Yeah, the horse and rider.
Yeah.
We've seen some down. No, we have seen some. It's just I think we like going to my ballet class.
Yeah, that's right. And this road is not far from your ballet class, is it?
No.
So what do you think could have happened if that car went round the bend really quick and then found a horse?
Probably would have run it over.
It might have done. Could it scare the horse?
Or hurt it.
Yeah, I would absolutely say so.
Hey, we're filming a Poppy's Plonkers.
And what about overtaking when you're advised to only go a very low speed on that particular bit of road? Do you think that's a bit silly? I would agree. So, Poppy,
yeah,
on the plonker scale, it's time for you to rate. What would you give the white Mercedes on the plonker scale?
What were the scales?
So you've got 0 is not a plonker.
Yeah.
1, a little bit plonkerish.
Yeah.
2, moderately plonkerish.
Yeah.
3, a super plonker. Or 4, you know what it is.
Absolute Rodney.
Absolute Rodney. What do you reckon you're going to give them? Granddad wasn't very happy, if that influences your decision.
Either Absolute Rodney or Super Plonker.
So either a 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Should we leave it to the people in the comments to decide whether they think a 3 or a 4 and see what everyone says?
3 or 4? Which one
What do
do
you
you
reckon?
guys pick?
3 Super Plonker or 4 Absolute Rodney?
Comment.
Let us know what you think. Right, Poppy, that's been Poppy's Plonkers. Would you like to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
You are a character, aren't you?
Bye, everyone. This place is done.
Can I have my microphone back?
Yeah.